Boston Dynamics just gave ALLEX a brain upgrade. Unitree is unveiling a humanoid with 31 joints, and the global humanoid race is heating up like never before. From the US to China, South Korea, and Taiwan, the next 12 months could change robotics forever. Let's dive in. Boston Dynamics has once again stolen the spotlight. Their legendary humanoid ALLEX, which many consider the gold standard for dynamic movement, just got a brain upgrade powered by a large behavior model. Instead of breaking tasks into separate modules for balance, locomotion, and manipulation, this model treats the entire body as one unified system. This means ALLEX can make split-second decisions across its full range of motion, walking, jumping, manipulating objects, and adapting in real time. Think of it as giving ALLEX a brain that thinks about the whole body as one machine instead of separate parts. Why is this revolutionary? Because traditional humanoid robots rely heavily on pre-programmed movement libraries. ALLEX now moves closer to how humans instinctively adapt balance and coordination in unexpected environments. This change doesn't just make ALLEX more capable, it sets a precedent for the future of humanoid robotics. Instead of thousands of carefully coded rules, a single large model coordinates everything. That's a paradigm shift. Meanwhile, China's Unitree Robotics is moving aggressively into the humanoid race. Known for their quadrupeds like the Go1 and B2, Unitree is now teasing a full-height humanoid equipped with 31 joints. That's a massive increase in flexibility compared to many competitors, which usually top out in the low 20s. More joints mean greater articulation, smoother human-like movement, and higher adaptability in real-world tasks. While Boston Dynamics focuses on advanced software intelligence, Unitree is betting on hardware complexity. The fact that a company known for rugged, affordable robots is now entering humanoids suggests they're aiming at mass-market adoption sooner than anyone expects. If Unitree succeeds, they could flood industries with humanoids at a price point that undercuts US and European players. Another breakthrough comes from Figure, the US company building Figure 01. Their new Helix controller is a game-changer. It allows humanoids to walk blind while maintaining better balance than a human. Imagine closing your eyes and still walking smoothly around obstacles because your inner sense of balance is so refined. That's essentially what Helix enables. The controller works by continuously adjusting joint torque and center of mass calculations, giving robots a natural, almost biological rhythm of movement. This matters because one of the biggest challenges humanoids face isn't walking. It's recovering gracefully when things go wrong. The Helix controller gives robots resilience under chaos, a must for real-world use. Over in South Korea, a team has unveiled ALLEX, a humanoid with muscle-like precision and lightweight design. Instead of relying on bulky motors, ALLEX uses new actuation systems that mimic human muscles, providing fine control for delicate tasks. That means this robot can not only lift weight but also handle fragile objects without breaking them. South Korea has been quietly advancing robotics, and ALLEX shows their focus isn't just brute strength or balance, it's precision, dexterity, and finesse. In industries like eldercare, healthcare, and electronics assembly, this level of control could make ALLEX a leading competitor. And then we have Techman Robot, based in Taiwan, stepping into the spotlight with an NVIDIA-powered humanoid. Unlike many research-focused humanoids, Techman is aiming directly at factories and industrial environments. Their humanoid integrates NVIDIA AI systems for perception, planning, and control, which gives it cutting-edge computing power. With NVIDIA as the brain, Techman is targeting real-world industrial tasks, not just flashy demos. This signals a broader trend. Humanoids are no longer lab experiments. They're being designed for factories, logistics, and service industries, markets where efficiency and ROI matter most. What's fascinating is how globalized this race has become. The US has Boston Dynamics and Figure leading with software intelligence and control systems. China's Unitree is focusing on high joint count humanoids with hardware complexity. South Korea is targeting precision and bio-inspired designs with ALLEX. Taiwan's Techman is integrating NVIDIA's computing power for direct industrial deployment. Each country is bringing a different philosophy: intelligence, affordability, precision, and industrial integration. The next 12 months could decide which approach dominates. Will it be Boston Dynamics with a single unified brain? Unitree with high-joint humanoids at scale? Figure with superhuman balance? Or will industrial-ready robots like Techman quietly take over factories before anyone notices? Humanoids are no longer science fiction. They're at the edge of real-world adoption. Factories could see humanoids working alongside humans within the next 2 years. Service industries, from healthcare to logistics, could soon rely on them for repetitive or hazardous tasks. And in the longer term, humanoids may enter homes, assisting the elderly, supporting households, and even acting as companions. What we're witnessing now isn't just robotics research, it's the birth of a new global industry, one that could rival the rise of personal computers or smartphones. The humanoid race is accelerating, and the next 12 months may decide which robots we see in factories, on streets, and maybe even in our homes. Boston Dynamics Atlas Brain Upgrade, Unitree's 31-joint humanoid, Figure's Helix controller, South Korea's ALLEX, and Techman's NVIDIA robot. All of them are shaping the future right now. So what do you think? Which country or company will lead the humanoid revolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into AI and robotics. The future is being built right now, and you're watching it unfold.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.